Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. How you all doing? I believe you all are doing great. So today I'll be doing my morning skincare routine. So if you really want to see that, just stick around and keep watching. Okay, so before I start, I will quickly show you guys the products I'll be using today. I really have quite a lot of products, and recently I purchased some from Mueller Beauty. Maybe on my next video I'll be doing a haul showing you all the products I purchased recently. Yeah, I did an unboxing months ago. If you have not seen that, just go check it out. Maybe I'll put a link up there on the description box below, so you go check them out. So I really have a lot of product, like I said before, and some of them I don't quite use. So this time around I just decided to go to the shop to go pick up some stuff that I really wanted, because right now I normally go out 90% of the time with makeup, because I do go to school. I don't really have the time to start applying makeup whenever I'm going to school. So I really needed some things that I needed for my skin, not use things because they were being sent to me. So I went to Mueller Beauty to purchase some stuffs, and also on Amazon. So like I said before, maybe I'll be doing another haul showing you everything, but right now I won't be using all the products. I just picked some products that I needed. Some are from my PR boxes, and some I purchased them from Amazon and Mueller Beauty. They're just kind of mixed random stuff. So the first thing I'll be using is my Nivea wash gel. So I use this to wash my face. After washing my face with my Nivea gel, I just use my jojoba scrub mask, and this is a 2-in-1 refreshing scrub mask and can also be used as a scrub cream. So sometimes I don't really have the time to leave it on for some minutes or something like that. I just use it as a scrub mask to I put it on and then I scrub it off, and yeah, I'm good to go. And sometimes when I have time, I allow it to stay on my face for some minutes, stay on my face to dry off, and then I wash it off. So this, I like it so much because then you can use it however you want, not just the mask. You can use it as a scrub. So the next thing I'll be using is my Kale facial cream, and this I got it from one of my PR unboxes. So I'll be using this one today. And yeah, of course, my scrub foam, and this I got it from Mueller Beauty. And then my clinic moisture surge, I got this from Amazon. And I'll be going in with my 3-in-1 multi-protection serum, and this contains vitamin C, and I got this from Mueller Beauty as well. So these are the products I'll be using today. I hope you guys enjoy watching, and of course, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please make sure to subscribe. Turn your bell notification on to get notifications whenever I upload a new video, okay? And I will catch you guys later.
Second, I know you feel the beat. Do you feel the rhythm all the way? Can you see the vision? Everything in this world will be okay. Can we be together all the way? I know you feel this movement right here. You just be vibing, reaching for something within you. I know you feel this movement right here. You just be vibing, reaching for something within you. Nights in California, passing homes, yeah, right by sunset colored sky. Yeah. Can you see the vision? Everything in this world will be okay. Can we be together all the way? I know you feel this movement right here. You just be vibing, reaching for something within you. I know you feel this movement right here. You just be vibing, reaching for something within you. Nights in California, fly passing homes, yeah, right by sunset colored sky. Chilling by the ocean, driving up the mountain, soaked in the endless beauty, all of you. You know it feels alright, alright, alright. Tonight, oh tonight, yeah.
Deep in the shadows, I know it's hard to put one foot in front of the other. So far as the echo, where do we start? You can learn to discover a million stars. Here in the shadows, I know you're scared. Take my hand, together we'll make a stand. We've got to fight to find a way. Dare to fall to find out what to say. No more hate. Just admit that you're just afraid. Time to let go of all your fears and pride. Stand up beside me, don't you hide. We can build a better place. If we can just find a way, then we can live a better day. Rise from the ashes, from the anger, from the war. Let's come together, lift your spirit for the cause. We should be equal, should be living free. All together, one and all, let's build a dream.